In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate alert mode on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll have a reliable price alert setup so you can step away from the screen and still stay on top of your trading levels. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is up and running and connected to your broker, we're going to bring up the panel that manages alerts. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens the toolbox at the bottom of the platform. If you already see it, that same shortcut toggles it, so press it once to show the panel. Along the bottom of the toolbox, click the Alerts tab. This is where all of your alerts will be listed and managed. Inside this tab, right-click anywhere in the empty space of the list. From the context menu that appears, click Create. This opens the new alert window where you define exactly what you want Metatrader 5 to watch for. First, set the basic details. In Action, choose how you want to be notified. Common choices include a sound on your computer, a file action, a push notification, or an email. Pick what works best for you, keeping in mind that notifications and email require you to have those features configured in your platform settings ahead of time. Next, choose the symbol you want the alert tied to, such as a currency pair, index, or commodity. Then set the source as required by your chosen action. For a sound, for example, the source is the audio file to play. Now refine how the alert behaves. Timeout controls how often the alert repeats while the condition remains true. A shorter timeout means more frequent reminders. A longer one means fewer pings. Expiration sets the date and time when the alert stops working, which is helpful if the level only matters for a specific session or day. Condition defines the logic, such as bid greater than or equal to a level, ask less than a level, or a crossing event. Choose the one that matches the price behavior you want to catch. In the value field, type the exact price level that should trigger the alert. Be precise and make sure you're using the correct number of decimals for your symbol. It's a good idea to check whether you're basing the level on bid or ask, since spreads can affect when the condition is met. When you're satisfied, click OK to activate the alert. You'll see it appear in the alerts list in the toolbox, showing its status, symbol, and trigger details. Keep Metatrader 5 running and connected so the alert can fire exactly when your conditions are met.